Hello, my name is Olivier Tischendorf and I'm running the Tischendorf Ladder Premium. For those of you who don't know me, I've been trading for more than 20 years now, and I'm specializing in high potential stocks, and that's mainly growth stocks, momentum trading, and basically trend following stuff. And tonight I want to highlight a stock that I believe has the potential to become a big powerhouse within the 5G sector. It's I would consider it a picks and shovels approach. That is, they're doing a lot of testing, measuring electronic components, certifications, etc., etc. So, the important thing that you want to pay attention to with, future potential big winners, and when it comes to entering such stocks, is preferably so you want them to trade near or at a new all-time high. You want them to be offering pattern pressure, fresh pattern pressure. I will show you that in a minute. And if you can find stocks that are about to cross an important price point, and I'm talking about, round numbers, typically, numbers like $50, $100, $200, things like that, then you have a potential big winner in the making. And often when these type of stocks cross the century mark, that's the term Jesse Livermore, a very famous trader, who coined that term, then you often get runaway moves and quick moves to, I would say, 130, 150, and then only do these stocks pull back and offer, easier entries. A recent example we traded was Royal Gold, which crossed the $100 level and then went on to 135 without any kind of meaningful pullback before it reached that number. Okay, so we traded this one here, entered here after crossing the highs here. And we exited here once the stock was showing weakness. So again, this is not trying to catch the bottom, not picking the exact top, and this is basically catching the middle of the move, and this is typically what I try to do for members offering these type of entries. And what we're seeing now here is this ascending triangle here that is forming, and this is typically something where, you see the best breakouts after, let's say, 2/3 into the pattern. So that's exactly what's happening here. The stock gapped up through that upper trend line of the ascending triangle. Then what we are seeing now here is, consolidation and building out this smaller, also bullish ascending triangle, and this is called a base upon base pattern. So what I'm expecting here is again breaking out 2/3 into the pattern after the pattern has formed here. So something like that is what I'm expecting, and that would be the entry here. So basically that would be the so-called obvious entry when a stock prints a new all-time high. And what we have now here is the possibility, the opportunity to buy slightly before the stock moves above 100 and maybe above, let's say, 102, 103. So think of it as some kind of cheater entry right before the stock, puts in a sustained move to the upside. Again, this is the optimistic, bullish scenario. Obviously, you want to protect yourself with a stop loss just in case this scenario does not unfold. A potential stop loss that you could use would be, this low here and protecting your your position, you know, with a stop loss around 95. So basically, you know, watch for the stock to cross the $100 level, the century mark. Livermore was so you know, focused on and talked about in his book, Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. And yeah, ideally you want volume to come in once the stock is able to cross the $100 level. Okay, that's it for tonight. If you're interested in, you know, becoming a member, go to my website, www.tischendorf.com. And this is, you know, the type of video and the type of insight, the type of technical analysis and the type of, you know, thoughts about trading psychology that you can expect if you become a member. Okay, have a fantastic night and talk to you soon.